Hello everyone. Today I am here to cook morning that I like to eat. My name is Ridwan Salim.
My name is Narasila Bindala.
My name is Maliki Pasuri. 1. Equipment needed. Cutting board. Serving plate.
Ingredients: slice of bread, tablecloth butter, slice of tomato, peter or mayonnaise, vegetable.
Instruction: prepare the bread. Trim the edge of the bread if desired. Spread a thin layer of butter both sides of the bread. Place the slice or sausage on the sliced bread. Add leather and tomato slice if desired. Drizzle with ketchup or mayonnaise to taste. Close the sandwich. Place the second slice of bread on top.
Hello everyone, today we are going to make spaghetti carbonara for lunch. Hi, my name is Muhammad Aiman Yusof. Hi, my name is Irfan Iman Saleh.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Fauzan Saleh.
How to spaghetti carbonara for boiling, pasta, staining, frying pan. Good night and casting boy with mosin boy. Service.
Step 1. Boil water and add salt. Then add spaghetti and cook for about 8-10 minutes. Step 2. Heat a pan, add butter and fry the meatball until cooked.
Prepare the carbonara sauce by mixing black pepper, mayonnaise, cheese, XO and the tomato sauce until well combined. Step 4. mix the sauce with spaghetti and meatball. Stir well and it's ready to serve.
Hello everyone. Today I'm here to cook dinner that I like to eat. My name is Furqan Isuri.
My name is Hakimi Bimakno.
My name is Fairuz Bale.
How to make mi kai chi chili chicken with rice with vermicelli equipment. Need the pot for boiling noodle standard pot for chicken frying pan for shouting the seasoning knife and cutting board spatula thorn mixture board serving board.
Step 1. Boil water that cook the eggs until fully done. Prepare the sauce by mixing oyster sauce, lime sauce, and a little water. Move the chicken from the pan and shake it into small pieces. Boil the noodle until cooked. Seasoning chili and green onions. Then cut with some lime sauce, lime juice before serving.